Okay. His screen is visible, Pratiksha?
Yes, sir. Visible,
Oh,
sir.
okay, now I'm going to share the presentation. First of all, I will introduce myself. This is the slide. Is it visible?
Visible, sir.
Okay, so I first of all you should know about your teacher. I am going to teach the classical mechanics, and this is Dr. Vishwajit Manohar Gaikwad. I recently joined this college last year, 5th March 2020. Okay, Amulakchand College Department of Physics, Yavatmal. Okay, as per my academic career is concerned, I did BSc in 2009 from Sri Shivaji Science College, Nagpur University, where I secured fifth rank, fifth merit position at university level, as I got four gold medals in mathematics in BSc level, as well as I got certain some prizes during my BSc Shri Mathurkar Family Prize for obtaining highest marks among male candidates in BSc in 2009 at the Nagpur University level, as well as I got late Shri Lakshman Kashinath Patankar Prize and obtained highest percentage of marks in mathematics in BSc at university level. And after completion of my BSc, I did MSc Physics in 2011 from Department of Physics, Nagpur University. Okay, and in my MSc, I got fifth merit position at university level. And after completing my PhD, I got admission for PhD, Doctor of Philosophy in 2012, and I completed my PhD and I was awarded PhD degree in condensed matter physics experimental in 2017. After completion my PhD or after submission of my thesis, I went for postdoctorate research in Institute of Nanoscience and Technology in 2016, and I did the postdoctorate research on nanoscience and technology in that institute from 16 August 2016 to 26 March 2018. And after completing my first postdoctorate research is basically the research after PhD, that is called postdoctorate research. Okay, after completing my first postdoctorate research from National Lab, Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, I went for doing my second postdoctorate research in nanostructured magnetism. That was my topic during my second postdoctorate research. And I did my second postdoctorate research from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Guwahati, from 2nd April 2018 to 14th January 2020. And in IIT Guwahati, I did some teaching assistantship for digital electronics laboratory where I used to teach BTech engineering students for semester 5 digital electronics laboratory, as well as I did teaching assistantship to MSc physics student in IIT Guwahati for advanced physics laboratory from January 2019 to May 2019 along with my postdoctorate research. As per my research career is concerned, I published 33 international papers, out of which 23 in international journals and 10 in international conference proceeding. And I have attended several international conferences, 8 international and 9 national conferences during my research career. And I got some awards, that is some reputed awards of UGC, Dr. DS Kothari postdoctoral fellowship in 2019-20, Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship to pursue my PhD degree when I was doing PhD from Nagpur University, as well as I got some prizes in research scholar seminar competitions in 2014, as well as young scientists award meet I got second prize, which was organized by Indian National Science Congress along with the Nagpur University. And I got some best research award in Manipur University in Department of Physics in 2014, This is the brief introduction of my career. If you want to know more about my career or my details, you can visit this is the link of my personal web page. So this is my basic introduction, and I joined as an assistant professor after completing my postdoctorate research of nearly 3.5 years. I joined here in last year, March 2020. Okay, this is the brief introduction of my career. Now, despite from this brief introduction, I will now start what is required for today, that is classical mechanics. Okay, so I am going to start my presentation related to the subject. That was my brief introduction. Okay, so I am going to start the presentation.